Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. 7 signs that indicate that you may have vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D deficiency is a common vitamin deficiency that causes issues with your bones and muscles. Vitamin D is an essential vitamin that your body uses for normal bone development and maintenance. Vitamin D also plays a role in your nervous system, musculoskeletal system and immune system. Vitamin D deficiency is a common global issue. About 1 billion people worldwide have vitamin D deficiency. In this video we will tell you about 7 signs you may be vitamin D deficient. Number 1. Prolonged wound healing. Apart from helping fight off infections, vitamin D also helps your body heal wounds. This is partially due to the fact that it helps prevent wound infection, but it also helps in various ways in the healing process. It is important for anyone with a chronic wound, like a foot-leg ulcer, to be sure they are getting enough vitamin D. Number 2. More frequent illnesses and suppressed immune system. Vitamin D plays an important role in helping boost your immune system. Along with other supplements like zinc and vitamin C, having a healthy vitamin D level can help fight off infections like upper respiratory infections, colds, viruses and bronchitis. Number 3. Bone pains and lower back pains. People of all ages can have worsening bone pains with low vitamin D levels, especially lower back pains. Older patients often blame their age for the majority of their joint pains, when there may be more factors involved. Although vitamin D may not be the only source of your pains, it may be making your joint pains worse. Number 4. Muscle aches and cramps. Vitamin D receptors have been linked to pain-sensing receptors in the body. As we discussed with joint pains, vitamin D deficiency can also lead to more muscle aches, cramps and even muscle weakness. Vitamin D supplements have been shown to reduce the risk of falls by helping with muscle strength. Number 5. Fatigue. There are many different things in your life that can contribute to your energy levels, like your sleep habits, diet, exercise habits, mood and medical conditions. If you are struggling with fatigue, especially if there is not an obvious source like an illness or poor sleep habits, you may want to have your vitamin levels checked. Number 6. Bone loss and osteoporosis. Vitamin D is useful in building healthy bones with the addition of other substances like calcium and phosphorus. Vitamin D and calcium help keep bones strong and healthy. Weak bone density can lead to osteoporosis, causing fragile bones and increasing the risk of bone fractures over time, especially for men over age 70 and women over age 50. Number 7. Mood changes and depression. Similar to fatigue, there are many different factors that affect our day-to-day mood. For anyone experiencing persistently down or depressed moods, I recommend you talk to your doctor to ensure there are no health condition or vitamin deficiencies contributing to the way you're feeling. As with joint pain, vitamin D deficiency may not be the main cause of your depression, but it may be making it worse. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.